All right, YouTube, so we're starting the day off. And since I don't have a washer and dryer in my building, and the building also doesn't have washers and dryers and there's no laundry room, I'm here washing my clothes. So I just gotta go check on them and then we can get this day started, people. So let's go do that. All right, so got my duffel bag, clothes cleaned, time to head back to the house and get dressed, and then I'll catch back up with you guys once we're ready to go get this food. So let's get to it, people. We made it back out now. What we're about to do is go hit Jack in the Box up because I had their roost fries before, which is like the fries, like a cheese sauce mixture with like chicken on there. I had the regular one. I want to go try the spicy one, so let's go grab this, people. I'll let you know how good it is and we'll get a rating on it, people. So let's go hit Jack in the Box up. Chill. All right, YouTube, so we at Jack in the Box and I have to scratch everything I said in the beginning of this video because I just saw this right here, the new spicy strip snack box. So we're gonna go in there and try that out, people. Now, you know I'm not big on spices, but I'm trying to get my spice game up, so let's see what the spice level is hitting for on these. All right, YouTube, we made it back to the car, found a parking spot at the park. So let's get to this Jack in the Box now. Now, I went in, I want to do the roost fries, the loaded roost fries with the sauces, the spice. I was gonna do the spicy one with the jalapenos. But I went in, I saw that they had spicy chicken strips, which is a new item on their menu. So I went with it and I got this, people. Fries is covering up, but pretty much y'all see it. They smell good. They don't smell too spicy. They don't look too spicy, and that's not what I don't want too spicy. I want them to be regular. But I went with the 2-piece and like a little box of, I guess it's like a small fry and it's 2-piece and it comes to like $2.50. So we'll get into this right now, people. Of course, I got the good old, it's upside down, buttermilk, AKA ranch. Drop it in a comment, people, please. Anybody, just one comment at least. Let me just see, what is this, buttermilk or ranch? Because obviously even Jack in the Box don't know, and I want to know if there a difference between buttermilk and ranch, because I'm still clueless. So help me out, people. Anyway, let's get to this though. I always gotta have a fry with the ranch first. fire. Now, let's try one of these out. Regular, no sauce, no ranch or buttermilk on it. And we'll see what's the spice level. So I'll let you know right now. Hold on. All right, that first bite, there's no spice to it. Let me try some more of it. Let's go. All right, YouTube people, so it's not spicy at all. It does have a great flavor. I would say it almost reminds me of like if you had like Louisiana chicken or like Popeye's chicken. It's like similar to their seasoning now. So it's a good flavored chicken strip. It's a little dry, but you know, it's Jack in the Box. But anyway, let's try this last one out, see if the flavor finally kicks in by the second one. So let's go, people. All right, YouTube, so that was the new spicy chicken strips from Jack in the Box, and to be honest, they were not spicy at all. I mean, not a drop of spice. Like, they could have at least added a little bit of pepper to it, maybe, you know, or at least show on the menu like it comes with like a side of like some special new buffalo sauce they have or something. But pretty much they were just like the regular flavored chicken strips, just like amped up. So it's like the regular chicken strips pretty much need to be these, and then they need to work on a spicy strip, because these, they're fire. I mean, do not get me wrong, the taste is wonderful. You know, it's almost like a Popeye's piece of chicken, or let me see, like what else? Yes, it reminds me of Popeyes or a Louisiana. If any of you guys got a Louisiana or been to Louisiana's chicken, fried chicken and fish, that's kind of the taste I'm getting from it. But you know, it's like it's just missing some spice to it. It's still not even spicy as the regular chicken from those places. So yeah, Jack in the Box, y'all got to change that. Make these your regular chicken strips and just say you revamped the chicken strips and it's a whole new flavor. It's a win. They're delicious, but they're not spicy, and I have a low tolerance for spice. Like freaking hot Cheetos are like a little bit like that had me sweating after like a small little 50-cent bag. So I like my spices, but I'm a weenie when it comes to them. And this right here, after just saying that, I wouldn't even put this on a chart of like, there's no chart for the level of spice that this is on. So you see, it's pretty dry. It's not like a Raising Cane's, but if they could make the consistency, or I mean the quality of the chicken more like, let's say, a Raising Cane's with this flavoring on it, be one of the best. It'll be right next to Raising Cane's. It'll be like Raising Cane's, then them. But since it's not and the chicken's dry, I'm gonna have to give them, for the flavor, I'll give them a 7-9 for this. But now, if you was to ask me, how do I feel about this when they consider this a spicy chicken strip and rating it on a spice level, it's a 1.1 when it comes to like the spice level of it, I guess, because it's no spice to it, and it's almost false advertisement. It's like, yeah, it's pretty much false advertisement. So it tastes so good, you won't even be mad when you do buy them. But if you're looking for spice, don't get that. Or if you do, ask them if they got like hot sauce for it or something, because I didn't do that. I should have. But anyway, people, that's another review. That's Jack in the Box. I'll probably go try those loaded fries, spicy fries next time. But for now, that's another one, people. And as always, people, make sure you like and subscribe for your boy. All you gotta do is hit that thumb, hit that bell, and you'll be informed every time I drop one of these videos. So, till next time, people, thanks for watching. Deuces.